morning, good afternoon kabayan. Ayan. Papasok na yung Norbind. Ayan. Another Arriba vessel. Chief engineer, very noisy. Ayan yung hose cover nila tinanggal ng Norbind. Ayan. Sila naman yung papasok sa dry dock. Ayan. Lapit na makapasok yung ulo. Ito yun. Bina-water blast yung hatch cover nila. Tinanggal din. Kasalukuyang ayan, kinokontrol ng tugboat sa unahan yung Norbind. Alright, another day, 25th day in dry dock. Still working here. It's coffee time.